Hey guys, welcome back. Let's go over unit rates, which is what we did in our last lesson, before we move on to our next lesson. So you should have already solved these problems on your own before watching this video to review these two problems. It says a team of painters is painting all the homes in a new neighborhood. So far, they have painted 3/4 of a house in 4 days. At what rate are they painting in houses per day? Okay, so this houses per day is important because that's telling us the two quantities we're comparing, which is houses and days. And since it says per day, that is telling us that that is 1 day. So you should remember from unit rates that we always want 1 in our denominator. Okay, so we're going to write that as houses compared to days. So we can tell from our problem here that it was 3/4 of a house, so 3/4 is going to go on the top, in 4 days. Now we're wanting to solve how many houses, okay, so we're solving for this right here, how many houses in 1 day, per day means 1 day. Okay, so our denominators are filled in. So we're looking at 4 down to 1. So we've done that by dividing by itself, which was 4, and any number divided by itself is 1. So we can divide by 4, or we've learned that we can multiply by the reciprocal of 4, which is 1/4. Since our numerator up here is a fraction, it is best for us to do multiply by 1/4, because we're going to end up doing that anyway when we do keep, change, flip. So we have 3/4 multiplied by 1/4. And we just multiply straight across. 3 times 1 is 3, and 4 times 4 is 16. So we get 3/16. So that is our answer right here. They can paint 3/16 of a house in 1 day. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the second question, asking us which is the better buy. So we have a 2-meter roll of white paper and a 9-meter roll of white paper for different costs. So we want to know, well, which one is better for us to buy? Which one are we getting more bang for our buck, so to speak? So let's start with our 2-meter roll. So we paid 30 cents for 2 meters. We want to figure out, well, how much are we paying per meter? So we are dividing by 2. So we're going to do 0.30 divided by 2. 2 will go into 3 1 time, 1 left over. 2 goes into 10 5 times, which is 10. So we're going to get 15 cents. So we're paying 15 cents per meter if we purchase the 2-meter roll. I'm going to go over here and make some note of that so I don't get all of my work confused. So 0.15 is what I'm paying for the 2-meter roll. Okay, so let's go back over here and try the 9-meter roll. So we were paying $1.17 for a 9-meter roll. And we need to know, well, how much are we paying for 1 meter in that case? So 9 down to 1 means we're dividing by 9. And we're going to divide by 9 on the top. So we have $1.17 divided by 9. We know 9 does not go into 1, but 9 will go into 11 one time. We have 2 left over. We drop our 7, and 9 goes into 27 3 times, and 3 times 9 is 27. So in this case, we are paying 13 cents per meter roll of white paper. So I'm going to document that over here so that I don't get confused. I've got 0.13. So in this case, which one is the better buy? Well, if you're getting 1 meter roll of white paper, same kind of paper, would you prefer to pay 15 cents per meter, or would you rather pay 13 cents per meter? And obviously, we prefer to go with the cheaper cost. So the 9-meter roll would be your better deal.